Moving into a dorm room is an exciting yet challenging experience. With limited space and an abundance of belongings, organizing your dorm room efficiently is crucial for a comfortable and productive living environment. Whether you're a college freshman or a returning student looking to revamp your space, here's a comprehensive guide on how to organize your dorm room. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Stay tuned to the very end of the video for lots of free organizing info. Every fall, there are college students everywhere who are thinking of returning to the college dorm room or moving into a college dorm for the first time. Today, we're going to address a few essentials for your dorm room and how to best organize your things. How to organize your dorm room. First, declutter and prioritize. Before diving into the organization process, take stock of your belongings and declutter. Be ruthless in getting rid of items you no longer need or use. Prioritize essentials such as bedding, study materials, and personal items. This will create a clean slate for organizing your dorm room effectively. Next, invest in multifunctional furniture. Maximize your limited space by investing in furniture that serves multiple purposes. Consider a lofted bed to create space underneath for a desk or storage. Opt for ottomans or benches that open up to reveal hidden storage. Folding or collapsible furniture is also a great choice, allowing you to reclaim space when not in use. Next, utilize vertical space. Dorm rooms often lack floor space, so make the most of your vertical space. Install wall shelves to store books, decorative items, or organizers. Over-the-door organizers can hold shoes, accessories, or even snacks. Command hooks are handy for hanging items like bags, hats, or towels without damaging the walls. Next, create storage zones. Assign specific zones for different purposes to keep your dorm room organized. Designate an area for studying with all your academic materials, a zone for relaxation with comfortable seating, and a space for personal care items. This will help you maintain order and make the most of your available space. Use clear storage containers. When it comes to storing items, opt for transparent containers. This allows you to easily identify the contents without having to open each box. Label the containers for quick reference and to maintain an organized system. Utilize underbed storage bins to store items like clothing, shoes, or seasonal items. Next, implement a cleaning schedule. Keeping a dorm room clean and organized requires ongoing effort. Establish a cleaning schedule to prevent clutter from accumulating. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up, and dedicate a specific time each week for more thorough cleaning. This habit will help you maintain a pleasant living environment throughout the semester. Next, personalize with style. While functionality is key, don't forget to infuse your personality into the decor. Use bedding, rugs, and wall art to add a touch of your style to the room. Choose a color scheme or theme that reflects your taste, making the space feel like home. Next, regularly assess and adjust. As the semester progresses, your needs and priorities may change. Regularly assess the organization of your dorm room and make adjustments accordingly. Donate or store items that are no longer needed, and find new solutions for emerging organizational challenges. The bathroom. If you are lucky enough to go to a private college, you may even have your own bathroom in your dorm room that you only have to share with a roommate. For many, going to college means sharing a huge bathroom down the hall. If this is your situation, you want to purchase a few essentials for the daily trip to the bathroom. First, buy a shower caddy with a handle. I am referring to the type of plastic container with holes to drain water and that usually has a handle attached. This type of container is easy to carry all of your shampoo, conditioner, shaving cream, razors, etc. If you purchase one of these, I would recommend one that is plastic that can go right into the shower with you. It should also have holes to drain the water. Shower shoes are another item I would recommend for a large shared shower. You can just use flip-flops. These will protect your feet from anything yucky and any shared shower germs you may encounter. A mesh shower bag is another essential if you have to commute down the hall to shower. I like the beach bag variety that has a mesh-type material and a shoulder strap. You'll use this to carry your towels, washcloths, and your clothes. The dorm room. Every college dorm usually has a bed, mattress, and nightstand, but you'll be needing a little more to make it feel like home. First, let's address some food preparation items. If you will be sharing a college dorm with a roommate, you may want to inquire if they have already purchased these larger, more expensive items. That should cut down on your expenses. Food preparation essentials. First, a mini refrigerator is a must. You likely are using some type of campus cafeteria for your meals, but sometimes you're going to miss those meal times. Breakfast was always a tough one for me. A mini refrigerator will help in those times. We kept our college dorm refrigerator stocked with breakfast foods mainly. A microwave is also helpful if you miss those campus cafeteria meals. It just makes food prep so much easier. Microwave-safe dishes are needed if you own a microwave. You'll need something to eat and drink from. Also, you should always keep a few dishes and silverware in your room. Don't forget dish soap for cleanup. A coffee pot is great if you require coffee each morning like I do. Remember to buy a few coffee mugs too. Ice trays are also helpful, as most mini refrigerators do not come equipped to make ice. You can pick up a few ice trays for very little money. Bedroom essentials. First, an alarm clock is a must-have for any dorm. Do not rely on your cell phone alarm to get you to class on time. Look for an alarm clock with a battery backup in case of a power failure. Next, a computer, laptop, and printer are needed in most college dorms. Sure, you can get by using the ones at the campus library, but there may be a long line if you need to use one. If you have procrastinated on a big project, that can make things even more stressful. Having a computer and printer in your room saves you that added stress. As an added tip, always keep an extra ink cartridge and extra printer paper on hand to eliminate the stress of running out just before a project is due. Check to see if your dorm room has a computer desk and chair also. A lamp on the bedside table is a must-have for any bedroom. If your college dorm doesn't have one, look at the large discount stores for the best deals. A place for your books and papers is essential to any academic environment. You need to be able to see and store your things neatly each day. A small bookshelf should work nicely. You'll also want some type of backpack or bag to carry everything to and from class. Next, underbed storage containers are great for small spaces. You will likely have to share a closet with your roommate, so any type of extra storage is a plus. Underbed storage containers are great for holding shoes and seasonal clothes. Stackable storage drawers are also great for small closets. If you share a closet, you can use these drawers to better utilize the vertical space and use every square inch of your closet. You can store your folded clothes, socks, and undergarments neatly in these drawers. Look for a full-length mirror that can be hung over the door. This is helpful for getting ready each day and ensuring you are looking your best before heading out. Countertop vertical storage containers are great for small spaces. I like the makeup carriers that hold everything inside. An attached handle is also a plus. I like to store all of my cosmetic essentials and personal items in these containers. They can also be great for storing jewelry. Next, a laundry basket with handles is another dorm room essential. You are likely going to have to haul your laundry to and from the machines to wash it, so anything with handles help make this job easier. Don't forget to buy detergent to get the job done. Next, sheets, pillows, and bedding are a must-have for your dorm room comfort. Choose a machine-washable fabric when selecting your comforter. Also, buy 2 sets of sheets. When one is in the wash, you'll have the clean set available. An iron and ironing board are great items to have to keep your clothes looking neat. You can purchase a small tabletop ironing board if you lack space. Most dorms do not have a TV in the room, but they usually have electrical outlets to accommodate them. My college roommate and I never had a TV in our room, and we still managed to get by. Most everyone has a cell phone now you can view instead. You can also just use an iPad if you need a larger screen than your cell phone provides. Speaking of cell phones, you're going to want a plan with unlimited data and a hotspot if your dorm room does not have free Wi-Fi. You can use the hotspot to use your computer and iPad. Home decor items and personal pictures make your space feel like home. If you get homesick, which you likely will from time to time, family photos provide the comforts of home. I hope you have found this list helpful. Going to college and moving into a dorm is an exciting time. Having a plan for organization makes the move much more comfortable. By following these tips, you can transform your dorm room into a well-organized, functional, and stylish space that supports both your academic and personal endeavors. Remember, the key is to be creative and make the most of the resources available to you. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.